I know you've been searching out manifestation. I know you probably use these things a little bit, probably saw a little bit of results, but you just want to do it on a more massive scale, being able to bring that like actual money into your life that makes that huge difference, not just like a cup of coffee or something like that. So what we've done is we've set up this video so you can not only start manifesting bigger things in your life, but you can actually start changing your life with it. So these are the tools that are going to be able to make you do those. So tune in, enjoy it, and I'll see you at the end. Hey, I'm the Viking Marketer, and this is my business partner and fellow founder of Digital Freedom Movement, Kellen Chivy. Since 2017, we went from mechanics busting our knuckles every single day, never getting days off, to unlocking freedom for ourselves and helping thousands of other people just like yourself do the exact same thing. Subscribe and tune in and see how we're creating freedom for thousands of people.
Welcome to Manifestation for Intermediates. I'm John Olson, aka Cheers. Today I'm just going to be explaining manifestation to an intermediate level. I'm not going to get into the expert level. I did shoot a video before this. It's manifestation for beginners. So if you haven't checked that out, go check it out. It's on our website. There'll be a link below, or subscribe, and you'll see it. Today I'm just getting into the intermediate level of manifestation. I'll recap on how to manifest in the beginner level right now, so you guys have an understanding. First step, figure out what you want. That's it. Second step, figure out why you want it, and then be specific. Third step is write it down on a piece of paper and place it somewhere where you'll see it daily and read that card daily. You can start out as, I am so happy and grateful now that. Put it in the present tense like you already have it. That's basic manifestation for beginners. Getting into the intermediate level of everything. When you're manifesting something, you actually have to believe that you're going to receive it. You have to believe that you already have it. That puts it out to the universe or infinite intelligence, whatever you want to call it. It allows you to actually maintain the thoughts every day. Like, building a vision board is huge in the intermediate state. Cut out pieces of paper, print off pictures. You can do that at Walgreens, Walmart. Plug your phone in. If you see cars you like, houses you like, women you like, men you like, whatever, put it on the wall, somewhere where you see it constantly. Like myself, my vision board is right on the wall of my office. It involves houses, cars, money, pretty much any materialistic thing. And then I have a workout room that reminds me of my health. Like right back there, that's an elliptical. I work out daily on that. Keeping my health, my mind, and all that on the same track is huge for manifestation. Because even if you slip up, say you start not believing in what you're manifesting, it doesn't matter as long as you don't hold that thought. Say one morning you get out of bed, stub your toe, if you're a lady, tear your nylons, spill, brushing your teeth, spill toothpaste on your suit or your blouse or whatever. Your day will start out that way. If you keep that attitude, you're gonna have a bad day the rest of your day. It's almost guaranteed, because you're gonna be looking for the bad in that day. And I know we've all done that, because I've had bad days where it's like driving into work before I had a job, well, before I started online business and retired myself. But my day would just go completely horrible. But that's because I was manifesting that into my life. This is kind of intermediate. I'll go expert on the next video. But say you're trying to get to work. Worst case scenario, you smack a deer. I'm in Minnesota. So we have a lot of those running around. But or there's construction and you're going to be late for work, get a flat tire. Well, all this stuff is compounding, and it's you thinking the thoughts that are making this come into your life. And it might sound like a bunch of hogwash to you, even if you don't believe this. Um, but start paying attention to what you're thinking and how you're feeling. Feeling, I'm gonna step it back a little bit. It's not the thoughts you think, it's how you feel about your life and how it's going in that specific moment that defines it. Your feeling is the most important thing in the world. If you're not happy, try your hardest to find that happiness no matter what's going on. Whether it's good music, think of your friends, think of the weekend before, something good happened in your life. That's the easiest way to start feeling your way into your existence. And this is getting a little advanced. I'm going to go into the next video and I'm going to recap everything that I just went through. Like I said, if you haven't watched Manifestation for Beginners, go back and watch that. This is Manifestation for Intermediates, and I'm starting to get into and explain how everything works. And once I send my expert video out, I'm going to recap everything. And I'm going to go really deep into everything. So, once again, this is Manifestation for Intermediates. So, comments below, likes, loves, make sure you subscribe, share this with anybody that you think is going to get value out of it. This series will keep going. We are on video 2 of Manifestation for Beginners and Intermediates, and we will be releasing Manifestation for Experts. And then, like I said, I'm going to recap everything, and then we're going to go deep into it. So that video will be a little bit longer than these ones, but absolutely. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Again, I'm John Olson, aka Cheers. This has been Manifestation for Intermediates. All right, cheers, baby.